Hey, well, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the watermelon patch. I'm gonna give you a quick update, and everything's looking really good. We do need a little rain, but we're okay right now. So remember, the first little bunch here is called a sugar baby bush, and they look great. Matter of fact, right here's one. We've got tomatoes. I mean, not tomatoes, watermelons already sitting. There's one over here. So, and it looks like we got more blooms. Oh, look at this one.
That was nice.
It's a nice one. So we did about 50 of these.
There.
Yeah, that's a nice one. And these are not supposed to, now look at this. I don't know what this one is. That's not a bush. So
No, it's
that's weird, ain't it?
running.
Here's another good one. Right there.
Yeah.
And then, after that, we did our seedless. So I think from here, almost all the way are seedless and pollinators. So I've seen some blooms. I don't know which one, I can't remember which one's what, but I don't see any fruits yet. And it looks like, well, this might be one here. I don't know. So.
Well, there's one.
Is it really? It sure is there.
There's a little one right there. Right there.
So that's
There's a little one starting there.
cool.
Get some rain, I think
Yeah, here's a bunch right here.
I'll help it. I think it'll help it out a whole lot.
Right there's one.
Yeah.
Right there's one. So now I don't know if that's pollinator or seedless right now. I do know this one right here is seedless.
Will the pollinators have?
Yeah, because I think, well, I don't know. Some of them I planted with the seeds that came with it. I don't have any idea what they were. But some of them I put sugar babies on them. So a sugar baby, I think you can pollinate with anything. So, yeah, this has got some coming up.
See some blooms on this one.
But they are pretty.
Yeah, they do look good.
I can't remember if the rest of them or at some point they go to sugar baby bush. I think right here. Not sugar baby bush, regular sugar babies from here on. Are regular sugar babies, and we've grown those for a long time, and they really do kind of pretty good here. So I don't see any fruits there. Yeah, there's one.
Oh yeah, pretty good size. Huh?
Yeah.
You just have to kind of look. They blend in with the leaves and stuff.
There's some little ones right here. So they look fantastic. I've been throwing some little bit of fertilizer on them, not a whole lot, and plants look good. I just hope they set fruit.
Yep.
I'm talking about the seedless. We know these probably will. So let's go up there and start the other row. And we'll look at it. It's a new variety. Got about, I don't know, 25 variety called Moon and Stars. And it's kind of the same size as a sugar baby, but it's supposed to have a real dark rind and then have like little things that look like moon and stars on it. You can see the leaves here. That's kind of what it's supposed to look like.
I see a bloom right back there in the middle.
Yeah. So I don't see any. And I just thought they were cheap, and I wanted to try something different. And we'll see how they go. The rest of them are sugar babies. I do know that. I mean, I think they're fixing to set fruit. Might have done a little premature premature video, but they look fantastic. So we probably got what, 150 plants in this one little area. We're actually talking about doing our cantaloupe that way next year, or this way next year. Because we've got quite a bit of cantaloupe. Cantaloupe's doing really good. Let me get out here before I kill one of them. And I'll give you an update on them maybe the next video, next Monday. So this is a Monday video instead of a live. So just a little update about our, there's a big one right there, I missed it. I'm impressed with those sugar baby bushes. If you don't have a whole lot of room, that right there would be a good watermelon. You can grow that in a container on a raised bed. As you see, it don't get much bigger than that. Don't run. So that would be a good thing if you had a small space. We'll see how they taste. I guess that's the most important
Here's some
thing.
thunder.
Yeah, we hope it rains
I
tonight.
do, yes.
Yeah, it's hot as all blazes. It's 8 o'clock and it's still hot. So anyway, this is looking really good. Of course, tomorrow when you're watching this, I'll probably be fertilizing. Try to fertilize on Monday, so we'll be fertilizing this and the rest of the garden. So anyway, appreciate you watching. We'll do live at the last Monday of every month, so we'll hope to see you then. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down there in the farm next video.